Hello everybody, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to find the equation of the exponential function. There are four parameters to be considered when finding the equation. You write down what you can. Example, q is equal to if the asymptote was given. Find the remaining parameters by substituting points. Note, the zero value of x, i.e. when x is equal to p, eliminates b because b to the 0 is equal to 1. So always substitute this point first. In the diagram, f of x is equal to b to the x plus q. Find the equation of f. Now let's go to the sketch. What was given was the line y is equal to 2, which is the horizontal asymptote, and q's value. And then there's this other point, the coordinate 1 and 4. We'll start by writing down the equation, and then in q's place we substitute plus 2, the horizontal asymptote. Then this other point that was given consists of an x and a y. So in y's place we substitute 4 and in x's place 1. Therefore 4 is equal to b to the 1 plus 2. Let the plus 2 walk across. 4 minus 2 is b and b's value is 2. Therefore the equation is f of x is equal to 2 to the x plus 2. In the diagram, f of x is equal to b to the x plus q. Find the equation of f. Now you will see that the line y is equal to -2 is the horizontal asymptote, and there is a point, a coordinate, the point -1 and 0. There's the equation, y is equal to b to the x plus q. So q is the horizontal asymptote, therefore we can substitute -2 in q's place. And then to find x, we will use this other coordinate that was given, the point -1 and 0, consisting of an x and a y. In y's place, 0 equals b to the, and in x's place, -1 minus 2. Let the -2 walk across. 2 is equal to b to the -1. Now, b to the -1 is the same as 1 over b. And then on the other side, the left-hand side, I wrote the 2 over 1. And then we can tip and times, we can swap both sides. So it becomes 1 over 2 is equal to b. Therefore, b's value is a half. And the equation f of x is equal to half to the x minus 2. In the diagram, f of x is equal to a times 2 to the x plus q is given. Find the equation of f. Now you will see that when you look at the sketch, it seems as if there isn't enough information given, but all the information is hidden. The first bit of information is when you look at the x-axis. The x-axis is the asymptote, the horizontal asymptote, and the equation for the x-axis is y is equal to 0. And the other bit of information that's hidden is this point over there, that 3. That is a y-intercept, and as a coordinate, it's the point 0 and 3, and we will use it as a coordinate. Back to the sum. Y is equal to a times 2 to the x plus q. Then q's value will be 0 because it's the horizontal asymptote y is equal to 0. Then to find a's value, we will take this other point, the point 0 and 3, and we will substitute in x's place 0, in y's place 3. Therefore, 3 is equal to a times 2 to the 0. And anything to the 0 is 1. 3 is equal to a times 1, and therefore a's value is 3. And your equation, f of x is equal to 3 times 2 to the x, and you don't even have to add the plus 0 there. In the next video, I will discuss a difficult example on finding the equation of the exponential function. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson. Have you subscribed yet?